Lexus unveils all-new ES at world premiere in Shanghai. A global core model reborn with a diverse range of electric vehicles. The pioneer of Lexus's next-generation electrification, combining HEV and battery EV, BEV, technologies. The spacious rear seat package combines the latest technology to provide all occupants with a first-class and comfortable cabin experience. Lexus's next-generation BEV concept showcases a new design language inspired by the LFZC. Refined from the ground up, advanced electrification aims for new levels of quietness and ride comfort. A phased launch in various regions is planned to begin in mid-2026. Launched alongside the flagship LS in 1989, the ES became Lexus's core model and won global acclaim for its quietness, ride comfort and spacious interior. It has been sold in over 80 countries and regions worldwide. Since the launch of the RX 400h in 2005, Lexus has led the way in luxury electrification by consistently pursuing both dynamic performance and environmental responsibility. By 2024, electric vehicles *2 will account for a record 52% of global sales. Lexus is committed to delivering an unparalleled brand experience by advancing core vehicle performance through electrification. This move will drive an engineering focus that redefines the future of mobility while delivering services that enrich modern lifestyles. As the latest expression of these commitments, the all-new ES is the second of 3 new Lexus BEV models scheduled to be launched by March 2026. The all-new 8th generation ES stands as the spearhead of Lexus's next-generation electrification lineup. Developed under the experience, elegance, and electrified sedan concepts, it aims to deliver a refined driving experience in every scene, further enhancing quietness and ride comfort while remaining in harmony with customer needs. In pursuit of carbon neutrality through a multi-track approach, both HEV and BEV powertrains are offered to meet diverse mobility demands. The design draws inspiration from the new generation BEV concept LFZC, which marks a bold evolution in the Lexus design language that began with the new ES. Deepening the expression of elegance, the design creates a clean, inviting atmosphere that is uniquely Lexus. The exterior strikes a delicate balance between smart packaging and proportions that emphasize the sedan's natural beauty, creating a sleek, fluid silhouette that hints at a future emotional driving experience. Inside, Lexus introduces 2 groundbreaking innovations. The world's first *2 responsive hidden keys that seamlessly integrate physical controls into the interior for functionality and refinement, and the Lexus first *3 sensory concierge, which delivers a personalized, immersive cabin experience. Based on the spacious rear seat design, the new ES enhances comfort and luxury to create a more refined cabin experience. Moreover, by further developing the vehicle's fundamental foundations and electrification technologies, the new model aims for a high level of balance between the road holding that creates a seamless connection between the driver and the car, offering a level of interaction that awakens endless driving desire, and the ride comfort and cabin silence that naturally brings a smile to everyone in the vehicle. In addition, the ES integrates the latest Lexus security system Plus for enhanced safety and peace of mind, as well as next-generation multimedia for enhanced connectivity and convenience. The new ES was developed with the aim of redefining the sedan. Traditionally composed of 3 separate sections, engine, cabin and trunk, the sedan offers significant engineering advantages such as high body rigidity and low center of gravity. These features contribute to the model's exceptional ride comfort, road-holding stability and quietness, forming the basis for the sedan's enduring appeal. Building on these strengths, the new ES further enhances the sedan by combining a functionally rooted, fluid silhouette with a spacious interior achieved through thoughtful design and packaging innovations. With the newly developed TNGA-GAK platform, the new ES supports both HEV and BEV powertrains, contributing to the realization of a carbon-neutral society while offering a wider range of electrified vehicle options. In addition, nearly every aspect of the vehicle has been re-examined from the ground up, integrating a range of advanced technologies. As a result of these efforts, the new ES offers an all-new and unique sedan experience unlike any sedan Lexus has seen before. The development of the new ES was centered at Toyota Technical Center Shimoyama, TTCS, where planning, design, engineering and evaluation teams collaborate under one roof. This vehicle represents the culmination of the dedication and expertise of everyone involved in its creation. The new ES marks the beginning of a new generation of Lexus and delivers a truly refined experience.